Sorry. Okay.
Hey, I'm Emily, and this is my co-host,
Catherine. And today's story is supposed to ask me what today's story is.
What is today's story, Catherine?
Today's story is actually about Tiki, who actually just got back from the south. Man, he had a lot of crashes coming back, I can tell you that.
Must be. So,
And let's welcome Tiki! Thank you very much. I just wanted to say I missed you all, and I love the girls, especially the girls and the boys and all the people that love me because I'm the star of the show. And you didn't actually say that. Oh shoot. I gotta go. Bye. Should we get him? Please excuse us until we go and get him. Okay, we're back. You don't need to worry about what happened.
you don't need to worry about him. He won't be on the show anytime soon.
And we're not animal abusers. He's actually right here, and he's perfectly fine, as you can see.
Yeah, so they'll describe from our channel. Because we love you guys.
And this is actually my channel, but I like sharing this with her.
Oh,
You are my best friend.
if I'm dying, you
die
dying with me.
Ain't
Ain't
no
no
choice.
choice. Oh, we're best friends.
So, Tiki, why did you want to become in part of the, well, I don't know, Garlic's family, actually? Well, you see, wait, no. Okay, sorry, that was the wrong question. Tiki, why did you want to become a bird? Well, you see, I was born a bird. Stupid. You're just coming stupid.
I was laid out of an egg.
My mom was a bird, my dad was a bird. They're like, hey.
Let's have a birdie party.
Oh my gosh, we can't post that on YouTube, you know. They're gonna think it's weird.
It's not weird. It's a birdie party.
Yeah. So they had a bunch of my other birds, and then they...
What's weird is he keeps trying to show his butt.
Okay, stay on my finger long enough. So, yeah, but if you want to know about my life, I can tell you. It all started like 1 week ago. That's how long I remember. Anyways.
Bird brain.
I was just having a normal day sitting in my cage when this girl walked in right here, and she bought me. And
I just met him today.
that's pretty much the end of how my life is. I'll let you know when anything else interesting happens. But until then, bye!
Wait, Tiki.
Tiki, we got another few questions.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I like being the star of the show, but being the star of the show is too much. You guys do nothing. You just ask a bunch of questions. I have to answer them.
Yeah.
Get out of here. Yay! Yippee!
So, we're going to be talking about bouncy balls.
Wait.
Did you know?
To our actual story.
These are really bouncy.
To our actual story.
The weather.
Today is Saturday
Backwards.
with a chance of sunny. And sorry that thing's backwards. But today is a chance of sunny with a chance of clouds.
With a
rolling in.
chance of dance party.
But anyway,
Yeah.
we're already 4 minutes in on our videos, and sorry, these are short videos. We don't got much to talk about. Oh my gosh, your hair.
My hair.
But Emily, you keep talking while I go try to
Well,
find something to
Yeah.
do first story.
So, I am, okay, I'm a crazy person. So is she.
I'm a cow.
Moo.
That's gonna be like our video every time. That's gonna be your intro. I'm a cow.
So, as you can tell, this is our first video.
Actually, it's probably like our maybe 5th video.
Our first video on YouTube.
Well, no, the first video's gotta be the first one we ever did. well, like one video.
No,
where
because
we're
they're
gonna-
too short.
Whether, well, I mean, yeah, they're short, but they're pretty fun. Like the blooper one. That was funny. You may actually see that one someday.
Yeah, if y'all subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe if you want to see it, and leave a like if you want to see it. If we reach, I mean, we don't have many
We go to
videos.
Google if we reach 30,000. So.
We can't get 30,000 that quick.
I know.
If we get 200 likes, then we will show you that video. And please, like and watch this video.
Oh,
If you're watching this right now, thank you.
y'all
and
guys
have a
are
great day.
amazing. Y'all guys are amazing.
The people that don't watch our videos, they can just.
We're not gonna.
Yeah, you should start saying that thing, but I'm gonna be beeping, and you just say it like quietly.
Yeah.
Okay, now that that's out of the way. So, after all, me and Emily, how we met?
Stop bug-eyeing me, bird.
Stop it. Anyways, maybe they want to know how we met. Well, it actually started from 3rd grade. I didn't have many friends in 3rd grade. I was really shy.
And I didn't have any friends because I just moved here in the 3rd grade. So
And so, me and Emily were both pretty shy at the time.
yeah,
And we were like, hey, we're both shy people. Why don't we go talk to each other?
yeah.
To be honest, it's been a while since 3rd grade. I think we met by sitting by each other.
Yeah,
And we came talking. And then
we were in
talked.
our Miss Condo's class, and then she left.
She was in the newspaper that one time.
Yeah, she was.
But then I guess it just clicked and we were meant to be the friends forever.
Yeah, well, I went over there to her because I'm not going to name his name, was bugging me and called me a name, and then my friend.
I forget how it happened. I mean, I know I'm not supposed to forget something that important, but I mean,
I know.
you forgot to.
I forgot how me and Matt met. All I remember.
You're not supposed to. This is going on YouTube, and it's like 7 minutes long so far.
Oh my gosh, there's videos that are 13 minutes long.
Shouldn't
And
it be
some are
20?
2
Because they used to be like 30, 20 minutes, and now they're like all going short to like 10 minutes.
That's because people like us have short attention spans. Like, we just got off topic easily.
Well, back to what we were talking about. We met.
In the 3rd grade. So, I left my old school. I used to live someplace somewhere. Yeah, I'm not going to tell y'all people. Because y'all could like me. Okay. So, we met by somebody.
I live where I am right now. Yay.
Yeah. I live almost everywhere. I swear. All my ex-boyfriends do this.
You aren't my best friend, just so you know that.
What?
You were like my family.
Yeah, we were family.
We're not really family, we're technically best friends, but we count each other as family.
Yeah. Like, we never get into fights. To be honest,
Except that one time when Tiki said he was the star of the show.
Yeah.
I am the star of the show. Well, you little thing, come here.
We're not animal abusers.
By the way, I'm actually not hurting him.
She's just petting him.
I'm just petting him, as you can see. That's just him when I'm petting him. He's completely fine. Don't tell people that we're animal abusers. We don't go to jail because we're not animal abusers. I actually really, really love animals. You can even ask my best friend.
Oh
I
my
really,
gosh,
really love
she
animals.
loves animals. As you can tell, we're crazy people. You're gonna love us.
Can't wait to see what's gonna happen in like 2 years of videos. And then we're probably gonna lose our touch of being crazy.
No, we're probably gonna have something else crazy to do. Like, we should invite some. We should invite some, like. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do throughout our channel. We're gonna invite some people
We should have
over
some
to, like,
voice
question
actors.
them.
I mean, like, we're doing this news thing, it's pretty fun, but we should probably, like, start, like, a Minecraft video thing, because I like Minecraft. You like Minecraft?
We both like Minecraft, but I also like Call of Duty better.
Okay, well, I'm gonna pause this for a second.
Wait, we're back! We're back.
Well, it's almost time to go, Emily. and we didn't really get much done. Look, it's our first time.
Hey, but we look cute, don't we?
I'm not trying to get flirts with boys on here. You have a boyfriend.
Yeah, I don't need a boyfriend.
Oh, are you talking about me again?
No, I don't want you.
Aww.
Sorry, Tiki.
Are you talking about me again?
No.
Aww.
I only like you as a
Are
friend.
you sure?
I'm sure. He's cute, but I don't like him. I only like him as a
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
I'm not from Tennessee, and get out of my face. You see this bird?
Oh, shoot. You're not from Tennessee?
No.
Shoot. Well, let me go think of another one. Bye. Told you I'm the star of the show.
Birds.
Everybody thinks I'm cute. Told you that was the star of the show. Mine's
You're in my face.
Tiki, I think you had enough fame for one day.
Maybe let's not put him on our next episode.
Oh, he's gonna be flying south for the winter soon. Again.
Oh, wow. Finally.
I'm tired.
Me too.
I'm a cow. Murr.
Moo.
Murr. No, that's fish. Okay, so you keep talking, Emily. You keep talking.
I like to talk. It's one of my talents. Actually, no, it's not. I barely talk.
That's
Except when I'm with her. Girl, we talk it out. So, my friend, I guess he's looking up a song for you. I don't know. Oh, well. So, we are a weird friend. We're a weird friend. If y'all like weird stuff,
I'm a
subscribe to our
cow.
channel.
I'm a cow. That was perfect timing. I'm a cow. Roar. I'm a cow. Roar. I'm a cow. Roar. You can't do mooing. You, it's okay. That was him. It was Keith.
Oh my god, he's eyeballing me.
Well, I think it's the next day for the winter chim. Oh, by the way, we're not actually people who predict the weather, so don't believe when we say what the weather's gonna be like, or
It's gonna be sunny tomorrow, that's all I know.
you don't know that for sure. Actually check the weather. We don't actually know what's going on. We're just doing this for fun.
Hoop is on.
You're not supposed to say that kind of stuff in the video. You know that was killing him. We didn't really kill anybody. We're
No,
just
it's
trying to
just-
make it funny, okay?
Yeah, it was just my grandma.
Your poor grandma. I'm so sorry.
She was like 80 something.
I had a bird that died like last week.
Oh, yeah.
That's why we got Tiki, and he seems to like the spotlight,
Yeah.
especially Emily.
Yeah, he's in love with me. If you've seen the few videos that we took,
We're probably gonna be posting them in a few days.
yeah, we'll post them in a few days.
What does it smell like? Don't spoil anything.
He smells
Don't
like...
spoil anything.
No!
So we better go. Bye. See you. Oh, you're kidding me. Bye. See you in the next video.
I'm in